Hey guys, welcome back. So I have my little sister doing her prep and applying her nail tips. These are the extra long BU stiletto nail tips. And I'm just etching the surface and making them white so that I can see the shape a little bit better. I really like my stiletto to be very pointy, so I'm going to shape up these tips. So the acrylic system I'm using in the video is from GearBest, and it's from this starter kit for acrylic, and it comes with a bunch of products, glitters, nail tips, everything that you could need to get started doing nails and to practice. It's only 35 bucks for this much product. I think it's a really good value. I really like the monomer and acrylic that it came with. I'm probably gonna try to buy it in bulk. It worked so much better than my ASP. It's like way less runny, I noticed. So I'm just putting a thin layer of this on all of the nails. I decided to use Polygel on these nails. I thought it was going to cure and become more of a white frosty color, but it's more transparent than I expected, which is fine. So someone asked me on Instagram about Polygel, if it lasted and all that stuff, and it worked really well. It lasted quite a long time on my sister. We don't go in directly with Polygel on the natural nails, so I can't really say how that will go, but if you put down a thin layer of clear acrylic and then go in with Polygel, it works just as fine. I really enjoy using Polygel because you don't have to use monomer, so you save money that way. I decided to use my alpha brush to form the Polygel because the brush is just bigger. It's a lot faster to do this, and the Polygel does not leach into the brush or anything like that, so it worked out. I'm gonna cure the nails after each nail is formed just so that it doesn't move around too much. And I'm doing these a little bit thinner than I usually make my nails, just because we're going in with some gel polish designs and stuff, and I don't want these to be too bulky by the end. I really like it because you can take your time and get it exactly where you want it to be, and there's no rush and no stress involved, and my cuticles always come out pretty much flush and perfect. So I'm thinking about using it a lot more often, honestly.
As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, I can finally see you now. I see the fear inside your eyes, I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world.
So after file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm going in with these Madam Glam gel polishes to create my design. I'm going to do 3 layers of the green, which I cannot remember the name right now, but it will be in the description box. And I'm going to do 2 layers of perfect white.
I see the fear inside your eyes. I see the pain in your smile. I can finally see you now. Oh, we radiate all over the world. We used to radiate, yeah, radiate, but now we're drowning. As the leaves start falling down and the shadows above the town, we used to radiate, but now we're drowning.
Here I'm just dusting some Fairydust on top of my white nail, and then I'm going to top coat it. I'm going in with this golden flake. This is from BeautyBigBang.com. And then I'm going to make some marble strokes with the same green that we used. And I wanted to darken the strokes a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with a darker green right in the middle of those lines. And then I will cure. This is going to be my foil nail, so I'm putting this foil glue from BeautyBigBang. And I'm just going to use 2 different green foils to make some foils and a little bit of green striping tape on the middle finger. On the pinky nail, I'm going to apply some green chrome. This is like such a throwback right now. I haven't used Lynn decoration chromes for like a year, but their green chrome is still one of my favorite green chromes. So I'm putting the Lynn decoration green chrome on her pinky, and now I'm just shaping up the nails. Sometimes the gel makes the nails really bulky. So I'm just gonna put some bling on these nails. I'm using acrylic for my bigger bling clusters and builder gel to apply my smaller stones.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think
I'm using gold caviar beads from GearBest, and the big green stones are from GearBest too.
you're next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me?
After her stones have cured into place and applied cuticle oil, this is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and let me know what you guys think. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!
Close your eyes. Will you dream for me some paradise? Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay, 'cause I cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Goddamn world 3 times, and I run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next.